All right, this is my system in my car. I have the Pioneer Avic 8200 NEX. It's a 2017 model, but that head unit sounds amazing. This is my everyday driver, so it's kind of junky. I gotta clean it out. Back there, I have two 12-inch Sundown X's in a custom ported box. And the amplifiers are the Earthquake. It's the 5000D, the red one. And the Sundown 4-channel amp is the what is it? The SAX 100.4. It's a pretty nice amplifier. And my door speakers, I have Memphis Tweeters for the highs, and then the mid bass. Well, the mids, they're not mid basses. I have the Sundown, what is it? The Neo 6.5s in the front door. And then for the mid, I got mid basses in the rear door. And those are Memphis mid basses. All of them are components. So I have crossovers in each door. And I also have using the crossover in the radio with the DSP. And I'm using, right now I'm using Apple Music. And I'm not using their spatial audio. So it's stuff that I downloaded to my phone where I can play offline. And this is Gregory Porter live. It's probably me. And I'm just going to show you the clarity that I'm getting. And some people say, oh, you're never going to get like a high-res audio system using those components. Okay, let me show you.
Night turned cold, the stars look down, and you hug yourself on the cold, cold ground. You wake the morning, and a stranger's cold, no one would just see.
Okay, hopefully I don't get blocked by YouTube, but that's just a sample of what this system can do.